What's up, you guys? Welcome on back to my channel. Come on in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, you guys, this is a braid down right here, you guys. I am doing some crochet Senegalese twists, and they are gorgeous. So I'm doing some crochet twists. You guys will see them in a minute. Thanks again for joining me. I'm a licensed master stylist, M. Williams. This is Sugar Salon TV. I hope you guys been doing well. I hope you've been staying blessed. And I know you have. I know you have. I know you have. As a matter of fact, I know. I know that you have. So thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Again, it's Sugar Salon TV, licensed master stylist here in Atlanta, over 30 years in this industry, you guys. So you guys see my fingers are kind of getting caught on the ends of her hair. When your hair start to do that, you guys, that just means that you need a trim. So she needs a trim. So the way I'm doing her crochet braids, you guys, she really does not like a lot of crochet braids in her hair. She does not like it to look like there's a lot in her hair. So I'm doing a different type of braid up pattern. And if you guys are not already subscribers, please bless me with your presence by subscribing. What a blessing that will be. So thank you guys in advance. And it's so easy to become a subscriber. I know you can look at videos and not subscribe, but you guys bless channels every day. You're going to bless my channel by subscribing. All you have to do, you guys, is click on that QR code, or scan it rather. Scan that QR code with your phone, and then you're going to click on, you're going to come to my home page, and then you're going to click or smash or whatever you want to term it. Just hit that subscribe button, and then you can be a subscriber, help get my algorithms up, help other people find out about my channel. You do all that just by subscribing and engaging and interacting with my channel. Thank you guys so much. I knew you was a blessing. See, I already knew you was a blessing. I knew that I knew that I knew. And I know that I know that I know that you are a blessing. So thank you. Thank you. Anyway, you guys, she has super thick hair, but she really doesn't think she does. But I'm like, okay, girl, I'm going to let you think that thought. But I'm here to tell you, girlfriend, you got tons of hair. What a blessing. Thank you, God, for healthy hair. Such a blessing. So anyway, you guys, I'm doing like from ear to ear, pretty much a little bit past her ear, back, a little bit past her ear, a little bit beyond the ear, from ear to ear, pretty much. I'm doing straight backs. And then in the back, I'm going to do it in a circle. So you guys, a lot of times when you do crochet braids, it's so many different braid patterns out there now for crochet braids. But she doesn't like a lot of crochet braids in her hair. So I'm trying different braid up techniques for her, just so I can see if I can get it to not be as many. But anytime you're using like the individual twists or the individual faux locks or whatever, depending on the size of them too, like the ones that I'm going to install today here, they're going to be on kind of the larger side. So I probably shouldn't, she probably shouldn't even use those, because she doesn't like it to look like she has much hair in her head. So, but anyway, you guys, please stay tuned, because they're gorgeous. And I have the video sped up. I try to keep my videos short and sweet. So anyway, you guys, I'm just doing, now we're going to start the install. As you can see, this technique, I did ear to ear straight backs, and then I did a circle. Now her hair is super thick. You guys see that braid, but she doesn't think she has super thick hair. So I told her I was going to call her out on this video, so she already knows I'm not talking about her behind her back or nothing like that, you guys. Nothing like that. I already warned her. I forewarned her, girl. I'm going to be talking about you on this video, because you swear you ain't got no super thick hair, but okay. after I braid it up, I be sweating. I be needing, to get something to eat. I be needing to nourish myself after her breakdowns. So anyway, the little crochet thing got a little bit stuck right there because she got so much thick hair. So anyway, so I did that back half in a circle, you guys. And again, like whenever you're doing these type of crochet braids, sometimes if you just do straight back all the way, you can end up seeing, it can be kind of a challenge to cover up those cornrow braids. So the one thing about crochet braids, sometimes people don't like a lot of hair or a lot of twist or whatever you're getting installed. You may not like a lot in there, but at the end of the day, we have to cover up the cornrow. Like no stylist want to send a client out the door, at least I don't. And then you can still see cornrows, in between the crochet braids. So for these, you see these twists are a little bit kind of on a larger, kind of medium size, not super small size. And so she already does not like a lot in her hair. To me, it doesn't really be a lot, but it's all up to the client. It's all up to the client, and all the look that they going for. But again, at the end of the day, I want to try to make sure that the cornrows are covered. So there's a lot of different techniques you can use. You can use where you start off with the individuals in the front. Sometimes that can affect the hairline. It just, you guys, it's so many different methods out here now that we can use. But at the end of the day, for me, with my clients, I want to make sure that it doesn't, it's not anything that could cause hair loss or anything. So I'm trying to put less in the front around the hairline. And I'm also, you guys, I'm doing like a staggered kind of look, install look. You're not gonna really see it, but I'm kind of staggering, if kind of staggering them bricklayer method, if you will, so that I won't have to put, simply because she don't want a lot in there. I'm trying to do as least of an install as possible, because these twists are kind of on a larger size. And we probably should have got something smaller, because sometimes if you're a hairstylist and you have clients who think, oh, this look like a lot, oh, why you put so many in there, oh Lord, there's so many in my head. If you get clients who say stuff like that, then you don't want to recommend for them this size of braids or this size of twist with the crochets. You want to kind of go smaller and maybe get the small ones, or just stick with the, but sometimes it's good to change it up, because sometimes, we as women, we can be the hardest critic of ourselves, and then when other people see our hair, they can be like, ooh, girl, that look good. And we'll be like thinking we don't even like it, or we could even be hating it. And then as soon as somebody see our hair and be like, ooh, girl, that look good, then we start feeling good about ourselves then. So you guys, just never try to be too hard on yourself. Like, try to be easy on yourself. Try to be confident. Try to stay encouraged. Say kind words to yourself. Say affirmations to yourself. Because at the end of the day, by the time we finish bashing ourselves sometimes, other people can look at us and be like, oh, girl, that's so beautiful. And you've spent 2 or 3 days just, critiquing yourself so harshly. So, just be thankful, be grateful, and just know that you're beautiful inside and out. And sometimes, step out of your comfort zone and try something new, try something different. Because look at this color. I don't even know what to call this color. It almost looks kind of like ginger. It's like a orangey kind of auburn kind of reddish color. It's not red. It looks, in person, it looks kind of more like the ginger kind of red, like orangey kind of, but it is whatever color it is. And it's 350 is what it is. That's the color number. but when you look at it, I'm trying to explain to you that it's a reddish color, but it has like an orangey, like kind of hue tint to it. So it's just the perfect color in my opinion for the fall, because in a second or two, we're gonna be seeing all the leaves turning orange and turning red and all these different colors that they're gonna turn, and this hair gonna be on and popping. And see, these twists, they're kind of on the bigger side, so they're gonna tend to look a little bit fuller. So if you don't like that fuller look, or you think it's too big on you, or whatever you may be thinking, which we always thinking something about ourselves. So we be our worst critics sometimes. And again, when other people see us, they're like, oh girl, that's so beautiful. Where you get that from? Who did that? And then we start smiling. So you guys, we got to learn how to give positive affirmations to ourselves. So remember that back part, I braided that in a circle, so that the part's trying to make sure that there's coverage. And so I'm continuing this install. You guys make sure you stay to see the end finished look, the finished look. And you may see her on my YouTube a lot, and she's always eyes closed, almost sleep. So I admire when people can just sit somewhere and just almost fall asleep, because I cannot do that. If I'm sitting somewhere, I'm woke. I can't just fall asleep. I'm going to be wide awake. Only time I'm going to go to sleep is if I'm laying down. So I admire when people can rest and close their eyes like that, because I can't do that. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys have been blessed. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay a few more minutes and you're about to see this end result. I appreciate all my subscribers. I really do. You guys are a blessing. I'm getting new subscribers almost every day. What a blessing. I've been grinding here, and I have over 400 videos on this YouTube. So it's so much that you have to look forward to on here if you become a subscriber, because you can just go into my playlist and just watch whatever you want to watch. If you ever have suggestions, please let me know. So you guys just continue to watch. Almost done. If you're not a subscriber, please do so. That would be a blessing, and don't forget to click the bell. Anyway, you guys, stay tuned to the end. Again, I hope you've been blessed. I know you have. I know you have. Girl, I know it. I know it, guy. You guys stay positive. You guys stay safe. You keep watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, you guys, or drop down in the comments below. Drop down below what you'd like to see me do next, or would you like me to do some other kind of crochet install? Or what's your favorite crochet install? You like the curly hair crochet? Or do you like the crochet faux locks? Or do you like crochet twists? Tell me down below what you like, or what's your favorite crochet method. Curly hair, twists, locks, or whatever yours is. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video is coming to an end, and it's about to show you the finished look. So please stay to the end. Give me a thumbs up and some comments. Peace and blessings to you guys. Continue to watch. I'm going to see you on my next video.
For my mama, when I finally make it, take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birth, I was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring.